This is one of my favorite things to make. It's actually honey straws. You're just going to take some plastic straws, insert it right into the tip of the honey. Make sure both ends are open because that's how you're going to get the honey to go in the straw. Then you're going to use a lighter to close the ends. So you just put the lighter on and then squeeze it together. And that's going to give you a perfect little straw for honey. And I like to make it into a gift. Use just a little coffee cup from the Dollar Tree and a little bit of string. And I also like to add just a little bit either of a coffee selection or a tea selection. I have a tea selection here that's from Aldi's. Then I also like to add something really cute to the mix. So in this case, I took some of those really fluffy socks, put it in with the cup, honey straws. It just makes a really great gift and very budget friendly.